Okay, guys, this is how we can connect our DHCP client to our DHCP server, which is Windows Server 2022. So the DHCP server is installed properly without any issue. So you can refresh as well, or you can come in here and restart the services in case the DHCP server gives you hard time. So far, when you see here, we have the scope. Address list, we cannot find any. We can reserve in case if you want to reserve a client, but so far the DCP is working well. Let's connect this computer to our DHCP server. The first thing is we have to make sure what? We have to make sure that the computer is connected to the same network. Okay, so our scope in here is it shows that it should start from 100 and end to 200. So overall, this scope shows that we are allowed to connect devices to our DCP server. It should not exceed to 200, from 100 to 200. Okay. As you remember, we have to type run here, run ncpa.cpl is the way where you can get to the Ethernet properties so sharp. Otherwise, you can click here as well or go to network setting. And when you get here, Ethernet, uh, and then what was this? Yeah, change adapter option. So there you go. Wonderful. Um, run. Where are you? Run GPU to CPL. All right. Double click. Double click. Come to properties. Come to IP version 4. We say for this guy, you know what? We have a DCP server. You do not need this information. We have a DCP server. So what I have done, I close that one and elyastech.com. I'm so excited. Let's see CMD IP config. Oh, there you go. There you go. Guys, remember that this is the scope of our DHCP. Now it is time to see if any client is connected to this device. Refresh. There you go. It's 10.0.2.100. It's confirmed that one of my clients recently joined in our DHCP server. Congratulations to every one of you. And if you come here /all, you can see the gateway as well here, and manual you can see the DNS server here as well. This is the DNS server. If you remember, we assigned the gateway as well. There's the gateway, and this is the IP address for our DCP server. Okay, guys, that's it, and you guys have a wonderful time.